In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take down your Squarespace website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a new site from scratch or simply need to remove your current site for personal reasons, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your starting point. It's where everything begins, so simply type Squarespace into your browser's search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purposes, you want to focus on logging into your account. To do this, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage, so it should be easy to find. After clicking on login, Squarespace will offer you several methods to sign in. A convenient option for many users is to continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, streamlining the process, especially if you're already signed into Google. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one that's associated with your Squarespace website. This will seamlessly take you into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account dashboard. Squarespace designates this area for all your site management needs. You can either use the provided link if you're reading along, or find the dashboard option, usually recognizable by an icon or your site's name at the top or bottom of Squarespace's navigation bar. In your dashboard, look for the 3 dots, often referred to as More Options, next to your site's name or thumbnail. This icon indicates additional actions you can take regarding your site. Click on these 3 dots to proceed. Among these options, you're looking for the one that says Delete. It's crucial, however, to consider this action carefully. Deleting your site is a permanent step and will remove all your content from Squarespace. Take a moment to ensure that this is the correct course of action for you. After clicking the first delete option, Squarespace will likely ask you to confirm your decision. It's their way of making sure you're absolutely sure about taking down your site. If you are, go ahead and click delete again. This confirmation step is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions and ensure that you are making an informed decision. And that's it. Following these steps will remove your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires careful thought. Remember, taking down your site means all the content and design you've worked hard to create will be removed. If you're considering rebuilding or redesigning your site, Squarespace offers many tools and templates to get you started on your next project. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, whether it's creating, editing, or removing content, managing your online presence is an important part of your digital life. Take care, and I look forward to guiding you through more tips and tricks in future videos.